Hello everyone, today I'm sharing a video response for a challenge I'm entering, and this is a challenge for Debbie Vignola. Debbie is having a Make a Christmas Ornament challenge. She's decorating up a small 4.5 foot Christmas tree this year for Christmas, and I'm quite sure she is doing it in a shabby chic style, but I'm not completely sure of that. But she did mention that she prefers or really likes shabby chic style, so I've kept my colors very light, and what I have made is a little bauble cover, a beaded bauble cover, and this is the very first one I've made, so hopefully it won't fall apart, Debbie. I didn't really follow instructions because I didn't know what size my beads were or anything like that, because I normally pick them up at the op shop, but I will show you what it looks like, and I'll put it on the bauble in a moment. That's what it looks like, and it didn't take too long actually. I was quite surprised. I started it yesterday evening. There you go, you can kind of get the idea. I started it yesterday evening, and it's now just gone 8 o'clock in the morning, and I just finished it off this morning. Obviously it's not an elaborate style. I think if I was to try something more elaborate, I probably would need to know the size of the beads I'm working with. Here we go, almost done. Sorry about that, I should have had that all set up for you. Kind of looks like a spider web, doesn't it? There, almost. That's okay, you get the idea. So that's what it is. I've used tiny little glass beads with a silver streak going through them, and then I've used I do know the size of these little pearls. They are actually a 3mm pearl and a glass pearl, and they're from bbcraft.com, as are the larger pearls. I think they might be a 6mm pearl from bbcraft as well. The long bugle beads I found thrifting, as I did with the smaller glass ones with the silver streak. So I've just kind of made my own pattern up as I went along, in the hope that it would work out. I was a little bit concerned at one stage that it was going to be very gappy, because I know nothing about tension with these sorts of things, but it doesn't look too bad. And I wasn't sure. I've just used a normal like polyester yarn to make it with, and I'm thinking perhaps there's a professional yarn you may or should use. But anyway, it did turn out nice, and I will put it on. This is the glass bauble here. I will put it on this to show you what it looks like. But Debbie, I'd prefer not to send the glass bauble through the mail. I'd prefer to just be able to send this into a small flat envelope and wrap it securely, because that would be much easier with postage. So if you don't mind, and you do have a bauble that you can put it on, that way you can put it on any color bauble, and it fits. This is about a 3 to a 3.5 inch bauble, and it fits that fine. This would fit up to about a 4-inch bauble, I think, so that wouldn't be too big for your tree either. So do let me know. If I had a plastic one, I would send it, but I don't have a plastic one. And I'm just thinking, if I can send a flat mailer for you, that will be much easier with postage as well than a box for a bauble. So I'll show you what that looks like on, and I'll put a link to Debbie's challenge in the description box below in case you're interested in entering. You must be a subscriber to her channel, and the deadline and the drawing for the challenge is on the 30th of November, so there's plenty of time to be entering. So take care everybody, and thank you for watching. Bye bye. So this is the little cover on the bauble. This is a clear glass bauble. It's about 3 to 3.5 inch bauble. I'm sure this cover would fit a slightly larger bauble of about 4 inches as well, because there is some give in the design. So that's what it looks like on. I'm really quite pleased with it for my first attempt. Quite a simple design, but interesting to learn, and kind of made me want to make more. So I hope you like it, Debbie, and please let me know if you have a bauble to fit this. If not, then I will send this particular bauble for you. Take care, everybody, and thank you for watching. Bye.